In the world of trading, clarity is a privilege bestowed upon the disciplined. Today, we delve into the depths of the moving average channel strategy, a powerful tool for navigating the cryptic waters of Bitcoin trading that demands strict adherence. Starting with the monthly, we see that the monthly, based on the moving average channel strategy, remains bullish. However, we do not have any trade setups right now for Bitcoin. Why? Because we're not in our area of interest with Bitcoin. To trade this moving average channel strategy for longs, price needs to be at or below the moving average channel low. As you see right now, we're nowhere near that level. However, if price trades down into or below 56,999, that is a place to trigger us to look for entry triggers on the daily time frame. Moving on to the weekly, what do we find? We see that the weekly still remains in a firmly bullish trend. The Williams Accumulation Distribution Index well above its 57-period moving average. So, what does this mean? Where can we look for trades? Ideally, entries are taken at the moving average channel low. Now, what does that mean? It means if price trades down to or below 61,091.74, we are authorized to look for entries on the 6-hour time frame. Looking at the daily, we see that the daily remains in a bullish trend. Now, where are we now? We actually have an actionable setup here on the daily. The daily is trading below the moving average channel low. The Williams Accumulation Distribution Index remains above its 57-period moving average. So, how can we trade this market? We need an entry. So on the hourly time frame, we need to have some sort of confirmation of a bullish trend change on the hourly. Now, what do we see right here on the hourly right now? We see some pretty strong divergence across multiple indicators. We have it on the momentum here. We have it on the MACD. We have it on the DPO. But we don't have it on the CCI, which is fine. Now, for these to confirm, price needs to close above the highest high formed on these oscillators during this divergence. So that would be a trigger. We could also look for an 18-period moving average trigger, or we could look for a moving average channel trigger on the entry time frame, which is the hourly. Targets to the upside would be the high of the moving average channel and part of a trade management strategy, leaving a runner for a bigger move to capture the bigger move. So right now, if we are going to go up, it's going to go up somewhere around here, most likely. So that's what I'm looking at on Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the monthly, major pullbacks to around 59K would be an opportunity to long on the daily. Weekly trade would welcome pullbacks down to around 61,000. And right now we're looking at a prime opportunity to long based on the daily chart up to around 70,500. So the question is, what will you do with this information? Will you embrace the disciplined path? Follow Tradius Trades, where insights meet structured action. Together, we will navigate the financial markets with precision. Your journey towards mastery begins here. Embrace it and watch as opportunities unfold before you. And as you absorb this knowledge, remember, reality is a construct, and the choice to follow the path of discipline is yours. Will you be the one to shape your fate with unwavering commitment? Join us, and let's trade the truth together.